What's good, y'all? The Julian Barboza back with another video, and this video is gonna be a little different. I'm back in my mom's house. I'm not in LA, and I'm gonna be cooking this video, alright? Cooking with Julian Barboza. So we're gonna cook, we're gonna talk. So let's waste no more time. Let's get this video started. First things first, a lot of people probably don't think I know how to cook, alright? And your man's right here, I could do a little cooking, alright? It's about to be 10 o'clock. We waking up late because we just got back from the club, alright? I'm setting the scene, alright? And your man's, you here with your man's, and he's gonna be generous. He's gonna wake up. He's gonna make you breakfast. I'm gonna keep y'all up to speed because I know a lot of y'all haven't seen me film home, whatever. I'm here with my brother Angel. He's asleep, and my brother Gian. They're both asleep. My brother watches Gian. I'm sorry for how bad I look. My hair is a little crazy. I'm supposed to get it done. Alright, so let's start cooking first, then we're gonna start talking. Alright, so look, first what you need is you need some bread. Alright, you need some bread. I got my Texas toast right here. Hopefully they got that where you're at. It's really just thicker toast, alright? It's like 2 toasts in 1. I like eating good, alright? Then you need some milk. I really don't even drink milk, and I probably shouldn't drink this milk because I'm lactose intolerant. I'm probably going shit everywhere, but just for video purposes, I'm using milk. And before this video keeps going on, I'm sorry about those birds. I literally cannot do anything about them. I remember why I don't film at my house anymore, and it's because of those birds. All right. Next, some vanilla extract. You can get this at the grocery store, and then you got to get some ground cinnamon. We only have a little bit, so that's how you know we're using it a lot. And then we need 2 huevitos, 2 eggs. All right. Hopefully I said that right. And then last but not least, you need a bowl. You need a nice little bowl. All right. So first, I like to put some milk. I really don't be weighing out how much stuff I use or any of that. It's just comes from the chef's touch, right? You gotta have the chef's touch. But now, if you really want the exact instructions, Google it, all right? All right, so we put in the milk. Now I like to just get a cap of this vanilla extract, pour it in there, and then just put in some ground cinnamon. I just pour it until it looks like it's enough. So to me, that looks like it's enough, all right? So this is what it looks like so far. So now you put in the egg. There's a trash can. Then you get a fork, and now you whip it together, right? So now you mix all these things, and the reason why you mix them all is you're gonna be dipping the bread into this. I think I might need to put another egg. You're gonna be putting the bread into this special sauce. Yeah, I definitely need another egg. Cool. I can do it with one hand. I'm such a G. You're so cool, dude. So cool, man. You can do it with one hand? No way, bro. No way. So while I whip this up real quick, the reason why I'm cooking is because my little brothers are both asleep. Gian, you know, he only can eat baby food, so I'm not gonna be making him food. But I'm making my other brother Angel some food too. So look, let me update you a little bit about life. All right, so right now I'm back home in Texas. Today is what, the 6th? I start tour July 10th. But actually July 8th I fly back to LA. So I'm only with my family for like about 3 or 4 days. And I want to see them. I'm about to be going on tour for like 40 days. We're going all over the United States. It's been a dream of mine since I first started social media to go on tour. And I need to get my hair done. I wanted to see my family. I just reset from LA. Because if y'all don't know, I've been in LA for the past month. I didn't film too many videos there. But yeah, man, I feel like when I come home, I chill, I relax, I get settled back into my groove. I mean, look, man, I'm cooking. I'm cooking at 9 o'clock in the morning. Usually I wake up at like 12, so I'm doing something good. But I don't want anybody to tell me that I can't cook. Girl, I could cook, I can only cook breakfast though, alright? I can cook, but I can only cook breakfast. Alright, so now we gotta get a pan. And man, hopefully y'all have all these ingredients. If you was like me, man, we used to have the EBT, alright? We used to have the food stamps. I ain't gonna lie, bruh. Why would I lie? I'm being real with y'all. Yeah, I'm about to heat it up. Next, I need to get some oil. Alright, so I'm gonna put this on like medium heat and pour a little oil. I honestly do not know what kind of oil this is, but it's hella bougie. Like, got this little cap on it. I like being bougie, alright? To be honest though, I really do miss being home. I really do miss being home. You know, I really miss my family, the good vibes, everything's chill. Bro, in LA, everything's just so fast. So fast. I like fast. I like speed. You know, ka-chow, but you know, sometimes you need to just chill, man. Life's about good and bad, white and black, fast and slow, on or off. It's about all of that. And so, man, I'm just rambling. Alright, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna get some Texas toast. You know, I kind of messed up. Usually you want to get like a thing so you can just place it in there, but I'm a little tired, man. I really haven't slept. I didn't think this through. Okay, so what we're gonna do is dip this bread in here. You don't want it too soggy, but you want it to, okay, yeah, I definitely messed this up. Alright, so if you can't do that, just get it and like kind of like just, now it's a little soggy. It looks already kind of yummy. I'd eat it like this. Now what you're gonna do, put on the pan. You got it on the pan now. Now it's gonna cook a little bit. Nothing really too fancy to look at. Alright, so now we can go back to our talking, alright? So yeah, man, I'm going on tour. If you haven't yet, make sure you go get your tickets, boysdiscovertour.com. I'm gonna be hitting up all the cities. But yeah, like I was saying, man, it's been my dream since I first started social media, go on tour, and I'm finally doing it. I'm finally doing it, you know, and I really sometimes forget like where I'm at in life, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not really too much of a numbers guy, but your boy does have 200 and almost 50K subscribers on YouTube. Like, if I told my little self that, like, yo, Julian, you know, in 2 years you're gonna have 200K on YouTube, I wouldn't even believe y'all, man. I forget I have 1 million on TikTok. I really do forget about TikTok Live. But on another note, man, I need a damn haircut. All right, I need a damn haircut. I could literally like do a man bun right now if I wanted to. I need a damn haircut, and I'm down bad right now because the girl that usually does my hair is sick. Yo, I hope pray she gets better. She texted me she was in the hospital. It's crazy, man. I'm gonna start heating up more stuff. And you know I'm a real chef out here, man. Look, you know why they put that up there? Bon appetit! Alright, bon appetit, Julian Cruz, Manuel Alviar, Julian Cruz, the chef, El Chefe, alright? I really be whipping it up. I ain't gonna lie though, looks a little yummy. For real though, man, I love food. Alright, and to get food, you gotta put food plus stove equals meal. And I'm starving, you know what I'm saying? And I'm a math guy, so I'm gonna have to start cooking a little more. I don't want to hear it, man. Yo, man's could cook, all right? It's a little burnt. I like my stuff a little crisp, you know what I'm saying? When you touch it, I like to, you know, I like a little crunch in my food, all right? But don't tell me, don't tell me I can't cook. But I'm really out here whipping it up, looking crazy like a crackhead. Hopefully I taught y'all something. Y'all know how to make French toast now? I hope y'all do, man. French toast is my favorite thing to eat. I can eat it like every day, bro. I remember there would be summers, you know those summers where you just stay up late. Your mom's is working and you want some food. See, it ain't nothing to make, so you just start whipping up the French toast. You always got bread. Your parents always could say, yo, Julian, you could eat peanut butter and jelly at home. I don't want no damn peanut butter and jelly, man. So what's the next best thing? Some eggs, some milk, and some cinnamon and vanilla, and you can make some French McToast. I wonder if there's people that actually do not like French toast though. Like, I can't see somebody not liking French toast. All right, here's the last little French toasty. Here's my other French toasties. Don't even lie. Do not lie to me. You know they look good. You know you would want to try some. Do not lie to me, all right? Now, last but not least, I keep saying that, but look, last but not least, we need the ultimate raspberry fruit syrup. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know who the hell be eating raspberry fruit syrup. Sounds disgusting. Here we go. The log cabin syrup. All right, I love syrup. We're about to do a taste test. Hopefully y'all are following along. If you're watching the whole video, you could have cooked and listened with me. Let's try a little bit. Let's do a little taste test, all right? And I'm sorry if this video is all over the place. It's early. I haven't slept. I literally took my mom to work. I took my sister to work. Albert and JR are driving my car back from LA, and I need a car, so I'm using my mom's truck. Anyways, besides the point, let's put some syrup on it. Let's put some syrup on it. Bussin'. Alright, here we go. Final test. Drum roll, please. I know I'm a good cook, so I'm not worried. I could still taste the egg in mine, but it is bussin' bussin'. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I can't taste the egg. This actually tastes really good though. I want to start doing more cooking videos. The reason why I filmed this video is for 2 reasons. One, I need to start filming every single day. Right? I'm gonna be on tour. I need to post a vlog every single day, and if I don't do that, I'm gonna be mad at myself, right? 2, I love food. 3, I want to show I can cook. Now let me know what y'all think. Can Julian Barboza actually cook or not? All right. I literally whipped this up on camera in front of y'all. I don't want anybody to say that I can't cook. Well, let's make this shit a little fancy real quick. Put a little thumbnail. Ooh, fancy, fancy, fancy. But yo guys, that was me making French toast. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. I know this is a totally different video that I'm not usually making. But look, man, I'm trying. I told you the reason why I did this. I gotta vlog every day. Hopefully y'all learned something. Comment below if I should try to cook any more foods. I'm low-key down. And I kind of want to start a series like cooking with people, bro. I don't know how to cook. I'm sure a lot of you do not know how to cook. So we can just learn together. All right. Yo, guys, you know, I love food. And you got to cook the food. So I'm down to learn how to cook. But yo, guys, that is the end of the video. If you haven't yet, make sure you like the video. Comment something. Comment your favorite food. And share the video with somebody, all right? And subscribe if you haven't, man. I love y'all. We out. All right, my boy Angel and Gian are finally up. Gian, say good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. All right, look, here we go. French toast. Whipped it up.